In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the images that you actually generated on the Midjourney AI page. As you can see, there's people constantly generating their own images here in different rooms. So you will get quite worried as your created image gets lost. So what you're going to do is, first of all, just generate an image if you haven't already generated one. We're going to try Once you have a generated image, you can either just scroll up to find it if you've already lost it, or if you want to find something that you generated a while ago, or you want to see all the images that you've generated so far, you're going to head over to the top right and hit the inbox option. After that, just go over to the mentions page and it will show you all the images that you've created so far. Now here, if you just want to download them, you click on the image and download it. But if you actually want to make changes to the image, you're going to hit the jump button and it will lead you to the image, now locking you. So if someone generates more images, it won't scroll down unless you scroll down yourself. And now you can actually edit the image or generate more versions of it. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.